Spectate. Where y'all at? Oh, I missed the first kill. Radar really doesn't help.
Three,
Oh, wait.
2,
I thought a spectator
one.
give you a
Begin.
radar. Oh, it does. Bro, I thought it... Alright. How you feeling? You think you're gonna win this?
No.
Damn.
No, I do not. Because
Yeah,
medic,
he is one of the best
is a
revolver
god
players
with.
I know.
Yeah,
He's over
but
there.
lately I've actually been doing it myself.
Oh, so the damage doesn't go down when you get farther with a revolver? I didn't know that before.
The aiming with it's very, very odd from what I'm used to, but
You can never catch me with a revolver like that. I ain't hardcore like that. I'm more of a shotgun or sniper man. Or not,
Same.
either sniper or rifle. Those are my go-tos of sniping. Well, you're winning by 2. Oh, no, you're winning by 1.
it's mainly by luck. I definitely know medic is holding back. I definitely know he is. I know medic better than most people.
You want
Medic
me
does not try unless if he has to. Then he will.
Very good. Both are getting damaged.
Or he.
You win. It's a tie right now. Oh. So does it give you radar? It does. Where is he at though? Oh, there we go. Oof. You're winning by 1 again.
Yes, I am.
Uh-oh, he got a gauntlet.
Surprising, to be honest. The
That
thing
he's
with
using
me is that I'm
gauntlets?
very, very, very... No. It's cotton. It's very, very odd that medic is not really trying very, very often, so...
Oh, so close. I got any movement? No, I don't. Like, like, how do you
I've been
even snipe with-
practicing... And I've actually been mainly practicing with every single weapon I possibly can, so...
Yeah, I don't use the guns I'm actually like. But like, how do you like aim with revolver? Like, isn't it like very random?
Not exactly. It's a trick that I actually realize how medic does. But he's more used to it because technically revolver is his main, so... I'm technically trying to get used to it as well.
Okay.
I'm not saying that I'm going to be a revolver main. I'm just saying that I want to be able to come close to beating him. Even though that's not going to happen. Unless if I put enough time and effort into it, then probably. On either sides, it's going to be tricky.
Oof.
See? Medic's a lot more talented.
Yeah. But like, he's like one of the best though, so I'm not really surprised you're losing. He's like one of the best. I saw him, one time I saw him 1v someone else, and he was smoking him.
It's very odd. But I definitely know for damn sure that either two things will happen. I'm gonna get smoked completely, or I'm gonna somehow, some way pull through.
I mean, Medic's winning by 1, so... And 6 more minutes, so,
No, he's winning by 2. Not surprised.
yeah, be like that. Definitely be like that. Like, I don't even know
Just
how
the
you...
way that it aims is odd. Sometimes I naturally just do it randomly, so.
Yeah, I mean, I use it a lot for my offhand, so I'm kind of decent at sniping on it, but not good enough to do that. Ooh, yeah.
Winning by 2. I mean, I knew I was not gonna be able to beat him with his own, weapons. He is one of the most talented with it as well, so it's gonna even be even more of a challenge.
If you had a sniper battle, you think you would win?
No.
Nah. I can relate, you know. I'm not the best at sniping, but you know, I'm pretty decent. Definitely got rusty over the years.
I mean, I can definitely tell that I've actually gotten better with it over time, but I'm not to the point where I'm at medic's level of it.
That's why you should train with them, so you can learn more tricks and tips and probably get better. Because, like, you're going up against the best, so you probably want to learn from the best, because if you're just doing it in hardcore lobbies, it's probably not going to get you there.
Yeah. His aim is better than mine. My movement is kind of better than his, but his aim is better. So it's technically like a mixed match.
It's winning by a lot. I don't really do like fights or anything in maps. I usually just go in lobbies or battle royal. Yikes. 24-8. Hold on, so you get 2 points every single kill. Well, ain't that interesting? That's a giant sword.
Dude.
Well, 28 love to 8. I just had to say that. I just had to.
Well, my aim has improved drastically since the first time that me and Medic actually did aim training with this, so.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. You see what I mean by him holding back? I know he's been holding back. I know he has.
Yeah.
I've already accepted defeat
He
so.
was holding back on you for a little bit. If he went against me, he would he would completely hold back. Like, I'm not good. More of a shotgun man.
I'd be happy if I. So I'm getting my fucking ass kicked, and he's literally winning by fucking 11 to 12. So I'm technically just giving him free kills at this point.
Ah, yeah. You're. Oh, which nigga, bitch. Anyway. Never mind. Oh. You're almost there. Come on. Yeah, you did it. Uh-oh. Bull in my boat. $36-10. Not the best.
I think I found that he is considered the best revolver main, so
The revolver mains or like mains in general?
revolver.
Yeah. Because I know he's pretty good at sniping too with a sniper. I've seen. Oh.
Oh, that did not work.
Yeah, your head was still on the top. Like your head was still like sticking out.
Defeat. It was a good battle, medic. I will say that. My aiming has
30 seconds remaining.
drastically improved from the last time we fought with your weapon.
So like last time you fought, was it like 1 to like 30?
You can guess it like that. My aiming is just completely dog shit.
10 seconds remaining.
But now
3, 1.
I did have the upper
Round
hand for
over.
a little bit until we decided to go all out.
Defeat.
So.
Yeah.
Good job, medic. Even though I just started using it within 2 days.
I got 2,000 XP for just watching.
I'm still adjusting to this revolver.
What you mean?
But to the medic, you can
'Cause I
tell
don't
that
use
my
this
aim
revolver
has
seriously.
you can actually tell that my aim has improved since the last time me and you fought with your with revolver.
A little, yeah.
The funny thing is that I'm also not used to this revolver skin.